This exercise is called a static hip hinge and develops the hamstrings, the gluteals and the lower back muscles. Anchor your heels in a tall kneeling position and have some padding under your knees. Place your hands on your hips and move your hips so they are only slightly in front of your knees. You should feel your hamstrings under tension. To increase the intensity of this exercise, hinge slightly further forward at the hips. This is the same exercise performed indoors using a Nordic curl door anchor.